Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're encountering the error, this phone number cannot be used for verification when trying to use a phone number to verify your Gmail account, then there are several potential reasons and solutions for this issue. So first thing, ensure that you are entering the phone number correctly and in the proper format for your country. Make sure to include the country code and remove any leading zeros or special characters. Now, the other one is clear browser cache and cookies. If you are using a web browser to verify your Gmail account, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies and then attempt the verification process again. In order to do that, simply go to the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down till you find the option General and tap on it. Now, inside the General, you'll get to see the iPhone storage option available there. Simply tap on the iPhone storage. Inside iPhone storage, look for the Google account or Google option available from the listed apps. So after you look for the Google, tap on it and you'll get to see offload app or delete app option available there. Simply upload the app, it will clear browser, cache and cookies. After doing this, go back to the general settings and inside general look for the transfer or reset iPhone and tap on it. So after you tap on the transfer reset iPhone, tap on the reset and what happens is it will reset all your mobile network settings and also clear your temporary issues and glitches. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.